And we have been asked here to calculate the maximum power that can be supplied by a 120 volt circuit protected by a 15 amp fuse. Okay, so it's a relatively simple calculation, right? P is equal to I times V and I suppose being an asterisk there, maybe I should be using a little X, a bit easier. And so now, in a typical household circuit, your voltage is 120 volts and there's a 15 amp fuse. Now, the fuse is designed to trip short circuits. It's supposed to limit the current in the circuit to 15 amps. And so normally the current won't always be 15 amps. It's generally much less than that. But 15 amps is the maximum current that should be flowing through there. And so if the maximum current flows, we have 15 amps multiplied by 120 volts. And that calculation leaves you with 1800 watts. Now, 1800 watts then is the maximum power that should be attached to any household circuit, P maximum. And so generally what you'll find is that the Canadian Electrical Code tells us that in reality 80% of that maximum value is enough, right? And so the reality is that I maximum should be limited to 12 amps. And if you do the calculation with 12 amps, you're down to 1440 watts. And so this now just for your own benefit, or if you're curious in this type of stuff, and that is 80% of this value of 1800. Now a lot of people, I guess, got hair dryers, 1800 watts, curling irons, these flat irons or straightening irons. These things with heating elements in them very often are 1800 watts. And the reality of it is that if the Canadian Electrical Code tells us that 1440 watts is the maximum safe amount of power that should be on that circuit, these 1800 watt heating appliances, they're overloading the circuit really, right? Or they got it up to the maximum, And so there's a bit of an issue with heating elements on household circuits, no doubt about that.